Coming home after a day of work, the dogs are so extremely happy to see you, and the tail they're wagging and the kisses, and I could get down on the floor with them, and I just feel that love. They make it better, and they make it easier. There was some skepticism around, is this really what it means? Does that really what that marker means in your blood work? And there wasn't, I think, the understanding by the doctors that I had spoken with that could say, for sure, this is what you have. You need a specialist and we're going to refer you. It was a bit of a wait and see type thing, which was, a scary place to be sitting. And then, you are diagnosed with PBC, which there's not a lot of information about. So it's really, what is this, and how is this now going to impact my life? My husband, Shane, and I, we love to go to Soyuz every year and wine tour and try new wines. Is this something that I'm going to have to stop indefinitely? The hardest thing about living with PBC is being conscientious of what I put in my body and how I maintain a lifestyle that supports a healthy liver. So important to have a great relationship with specialists, feeling comfortable to be able to speak up and say, I'm not feeling great, I think something's off, and not feeling like you're left in the dark or you have unanswered questions, or just feeling like I'm making it up, because it happens a lot. Receiving a diagnosis that is life-changing is scary. It is overwhelming. It's isolating. Life before was much more carefree, and it was very social. I have a hard time missing out on things and having to say no to Shane, friends, family. I know it's the best thing for me because I will show up sad or fatigued, and that's not how I want to show up for people. You feel like everybody's moving past you and you feel like you don't want to be left behind. And those who know me best, are patient. And, I think there's a real stigma when you're sick that, you just gotta truck through and you gotta get through. And it is okay to say, I'm not okay today and I need to rest. But the longer that I've had PBC, I have a much more calm sense about how my life is changed. The experiences might look different, but I still get to enjoy the fundamentals of my life that I did before. Shane and I will take the dogs to Pacific Spirit Park. Ruby will run off leash, which is her happy place, and Lola likes to try and keep up. And it's no phones and just really being present with each other. We have this beautiful rooftop, and it's just really important to have those small victories in our day-to-day now that we value more than we did before. I have a great group of friends that we will do theme days. Last year we did yacht rock and had a lot of laughs. Having a glass of wine, listening to music, those types of things really fill my cup. But spontaneity happens less so than I used to, and now I have to be much more methodical in my planning. What are the resources available to me? Can I make a game time decision to cancel if I need to? So we are going to Rwanda to trek with the gorillas. My whole life I have wanted to go and see the gorillas and live my Diane Fossey dreams. I had to be really mindful of planning, and there was some shifts. But while it might look different, I'm just really trying to revel in the fact that I honestly didn't think it was going to happen. I would say believe in yourself, trust your gut, advocate for yourself. Don't lose sight of what makes you you. Just find a different way to get there.